with doctors, nurses, pharmacists, social workers to care for our most vulnerable.
How are you?
People who not just really care, but are also willing to push the boundaries of what they're capable of. It takes far more than strong medical knowledge to treat some of our sickest patients.
Dr. Meah is a force with tremendous energy and enthusiasm. She has been able to care for so many patients who would not have gotten health care if it wasn't for her.
And I think that what Mount Sinai has done is allowed me those opportunities to develop programs that are innovative and that think outside the box. I am the founder and program director of the East Harlem Health Outreach Partnership, also known as EHHOP. EHHOP, our free clinic, is really part of a network of safety nets within the East Harlem area, which serve the uninsured.
Yasmin has changed the way clinical care is provided. We're talking about people who have literally no access to care, who sometimes haven't seen a doctor in years, can't get medication sometimes. They are at the margin of society. And she fights for these patients, whether it's clinical or housing or food security, all kinds of things that most doctors never have to give a passing thought to.
What she has developed is a national model for providing free care to the underserved and a foundation for our medical students and medical students around the country to ultimately be trained to become primary care physicians for the underserved patients in their communities.
She has really mentored generations of students. She's taught these students what it is to truly be an advocate and a holistic view of how to take care of patients.
Students will not just prescribe medications, but they will also learn to educate patients on how to care for themselves, how to access resources within the community.
Dr. Yasmin Meah with the Jacobi Medallion, we are honoring a woman who has taken the institution's historic core values and is keeping them alive.
It was just incredibly moving to know that my medical students from so many years had been the reason why I got the Jacobi Medallion. Some of my proudest accomplishments are training medical students to be far more compassionate. And for my students to graduate from Mount Sinai with those skills in their back pocket is an incredible testimony to the potency of a free clinic like EHHOP.